2017 has been a turning point for manufacturing at MTR Foods Private Limited. Continuous focus on closing gaps in KPIs, quick implementation of decided action plans, and driving overall yields has led to a marked increase in efficiency at the Bangalore-based manufacturing facility. A new day, and MTR is all set to begin to perform and achieve. The team gathers to plan and program. The operations of the plant start with an in-depth understanding of the previous day's work. Key performance indicators of safety, quality, delivery, and cost of the division are discussed and updated on visual boards. This enables the experts to focus on what was and foresee what will be. The planning continues a level up as well. A quick discussion takes shape to analyze the previous day's results for a better understanding and to address issues and concerns. The forecast is set by every divisional manager for their respective departments, and the day begins. Bettering one's own performance is what makes one perfect. MTR firmly stands by it. Every appreciation is celebrated, and likewise every escalation is addressed. A separate meeting to capture the deviations from KPIs is held with key stakeholders. The root cause analysis of the deviations is worked on, and an action plan is derived for further implementation. This results in an effective and quick resolution of issues and drives efficiency across operations. A constant drive to perfection is maintained. It is serious business at the packaging section. With seamlessly working machines with OEE greater than 85%, there is a consistent monitoring on labeling and packaging defects to drive down customer complaints, and any defects are dealt with immediately to avoid setbacks. The machines are maintained with utmost care, and every issue is addressed by engineers who are on a constant standby. The end result is proven by the data and facts. The team has never compromised on the safety of its workers. With a slight increase of H value, LWDR to 2.12 and the highest OSD ever recorded, there is a safety culture that is being embedded at all levels. The integrated plan-led line filling focus has improved overall factory production line fill from 54% in 2016 to 76% in 2017. A commendable increase in overall productivity, up by 12.3%. Improvement in productivity by 57% in the beverages plant. Breakfast mixes core improved productivity by over 45%. Increase in productivity by 14% in the vermicelli plant. The year has also managed to overcome obstacles. There has been a 6% reduced part failure breakdown and a 3% reduction in machine setting downtime. This in turn has resulted in overall reduction in breakdown hours by 9%. Reduction of customer complaints at overall level to lower than target, which is largely driven by control on labeling and packaging defects. With the strengthening of management infrastructure and measurement rigor across the key result areas, the year 2017 has been a great success for factory operations.